Legends never die, they evolve. This is the all-new Maruti Suzuki Gypsy 2026. Finished in its original factory pure white color, the Gypsy 2026 looks bold, muscular, and purpose-built. The upright stance, aggressive grille, and sharp LED headlights give it a commanding road presence. From the sides, the boxy silhouette stays true to the Gypsy DNA, enhanced with wider wheel arches and strong character lines. At the back, the rugged design continues with a spare wheel-mounted tailgate and modern LED tail lamps. Inside, the Gypsy 2026 surprises with a premium yet practical cabin, featuring a digital instrument cluster, touchscreen infotainment system, and durable off-road-ready materials. Under the hood, Maruti has packed a powerful and efficient engine designed for both city driving and extreme terrains. The high-profile all-terrain tires, high ground clearance, and 4x4 capability make this SUV a true off-road warrior. This is not just a comeback, this is the rebirth of an icon. This is the Maruti Suzuki Gypsy 2026. Stay tuned with MetaRev.